I have this situation where that's pretty cool with the lighting like that. If I stand in the shade, the lighting is amazing. Okay. Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna film in this spot here, and basically this one is you can see these kind of cool looking stuff right there, those little apartments. And what I want to focus on is these kind of strange things here. There's one here. I don't know what this one's all about, but it's kind of an unusual shape. So, and there's another one over there too. So there's two of them. But oops, sorry. There's this unusual one and that unusual one. So let's just take a walk. Oh, actually, I also want to see what's over here. So I won't be able to see that until later, but some interesting architecture. Over here is a waterfront, so here's another one of those. Then another one of these. Let's see what's over here. So I'm not sure what's over there either, but we'll see later. And over here is the Grand Emperor Hotel. So and over here's the waterfront, so we could actually run over to the waterfront real quick. But this Grand Emperor Hotel is sometimes a little interesting to see as well. So in the past there would always be people that would be waiting in line over here. That's that direction. So usually you'd always see people, sometimes it'd be this monstrous line of people trying to get to the mainland. But actually that's not here now. Then you have these little carriages. See how this line right here? But now it's a COVID-19, so here's another one of these same structures. But yeah, now there's nobody. Yeah, all closed since February 3rd. So you'll see nobody. And these little carriages, I always see people taking pictures next to these carriages all the time as well. There's another one up here as well. And we'll just keep walking all the way straight through. Yeah, the Grand Emperor Hotel. And there's another one of these. And actually what I want to do is run over here. So here's this one. Should take the crosswalk. Parking garage. So we're just gonna run across, and I'm just gonna get the waterfront too. And this AIA tower has well, let's walk into it. I don't know if I can. I'll need my there's a Starbucks here. So Starbucks is pretty popular. So yeah, you have to do the temperature check. So we have these right here, temperature check. But yeah, Starbucks is pretty popular. And then there's also some restaurants up in here, and there's also a place where people work out and go to the gym. A lot of foreigners in particular. And what we're gonna do next is, here's another interesting infrastructure thing, right? So it's all glass, and I guess it goes into the parking garage area. Okay, cool scooter, pink one. So we're just gonna go up here, AIA building, Circle K. And then if we go straight ahead, there's the Macau Tower right there too. And there's some stuff over here that I don't really know what it is. It's office buildings, but there's sometimes some new restaurants. I don't know how popular they can get because it's not really a high traffic area. And then straight ahead is going to be a reflection of the Macau Tower. Straight ahead is the waterfront, so we'll walk up there and film, and then you get another sense of Macau. So, all right. Sue's Kitchen. This is a chain, it's everywhere. They have Vietnamese food, Asian kinds of food. And it looks like this one's closed. And here we are. So, yeah, lots of people today. And there's the waterfront. So, okay. I have this situation where that's pretty cool with the lighting like that. If I stand in the shade, the lighting is amazing. Okay. So yeah, there's some pretty cool artwork all along this yellow wall. Should probably film that too. I'm actually in a situation today where I see that I only have 15 minutes on my to be able to record. So man, gotta choose wisely. Anyways, this is a nice little waterfront area. Pretty cool lighting. Got some beauty salon. Don't know what that is. Actually, it looks like it's gold. Let's take a look here real quick. So yeah, it's like this gold is 30. Oh man, it says 33,000. So you have to times that by 8. This one is 40,000. Oh, sorry, divide it by 8. So it's like about 5,000 American dollars maybe. So maybe each of these is about 5,000. Those less than 5,000. This one says 15,000, 33. It's about half the price. Does that sound right? Have to convert it into mob. Anyways, pretty interesting. So we're gonna conclude right here.